Hi guys, I was gifted this dental powder from the seller so I can show you everything about it. My dog is less than 25 pounds, so I only give them 1 scoop daily, it says. It says you just sprinkle it on their food. Let's go ahead and open it up so we can see what it looks like. It's all sealed. Nice container here. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and it comes with a little scoop. So it's not a very big scoop or nothing. I'm going to go put it on my dog's food. This is to help plaque and tartar control with the dog. All right, so we got the dog's food here. Let's get a little bit of this powder. We'll just do 1 scoop because my dog is less than 25 pounds, it says. So just put that on it. All right, so there you have it. My dog loves this stuff. So if you guys are in the market for some dental powder for your dog, go ahead and get it. Thanks.